Welcome back to this series of version 1. In the first tutorial we saw project creation and the various options that we have under the menu bar in version 1. I spoke about grid view and its customization. In tutorial number 2 we saw about strategic themes, portfolio items and child portfolio and WSGF. In this tutorial number 3 I will show how to create budgets and track it. This will be a very short one. Click on budgets as shown. Under the portfolio section, click on budgets. Click on create new budget. Give the budget name, begin date and duration. The budget can be allocated at certain planning level or at a particular strategic theme level. It can be allocated at the planning level or at a strategic theme level. In this demo, I am allocating at the theme level. Select strategic themes and click next. Give the dollar value and the dollar per point when it means dollar per story points and click save. Enter the portion of the allocated budget for each of the themes and click save. You would want to distribute $100,000 to strategic theme 1, $100,000 to 2, $100,000 to strategic number 3. That is how my $300,000 is distributed. Give the allocation theme wise and click save. The budget gets distributed amongst themes, and this is how the overall allocation would look theme wise. If you go back to budgets and under portfolio, it shows the budgets that are created. Just please remember that you will have to choose the appropriate planning level. Well, this brings us to the end of tutorial 3. Till now, we were learning about the program or the portfolio level. Let us start moving towards the team level in the next tutorial onwards, where I'll show how to create a product backlog group, product backlog items, and linking them to the portfolio items. Thanks for joining. See you again in tutorial number 4.